Good morning, students. And next topic of our is National Assembly proclaimed a republic granted. And in last paragraph of last content, कि 1848 was one such year. Food shortage and widespread unemployment brought the population of Paris out on the roads. Barricades were erected, and Louis Philippe, ruler of that country, was forced to flee, कि वहाँ से उसको भगा दिया. Okay, a National Assembly proclaimed a republic, granted suffrage to all adult males above 21 and granted the right to vote. And national workshop to provide employment were set up. 1845 weavers in Silesia had led a revolt against. No, the time of revolt will be there. Revolt against contractors. So weavers of Silesia revolt against the collector, those who supplied them raw material and gave them order for finished textile, but drastically reduced their payment. They are going to provide the work material, raw material, and gave the order to also, but they reduced their payment. Okay, what's happened there now? In village area, 18,000 inhabitants, cotton weaving is the most widespread occupation, and people depend on only cotton weaving. The misery of the worker extreme. Okay, how they were work if they are not going to good wages. Contractor to reduce the price of the goods, and they order which they ordered to the weavers, and they reduced the price of the things also. And 4th June at 2 p.m. a large crowd of weavers, and what's happened you know about it, कि when there will be any revolt among the people, any grievances among the weavers on that time, what they will do? Okay, कि their homes and massed in pairs up to mansions of their contractor and demanding higher wages. Where their contractors living there on that time, they go there and demanding higher wages. They were treated with scorn and threat alternately. And group of them forced their way into the house, smashed its elegant window panes, furniture, proclaims. Another group broke into the on that time how revolt done by the weavers and other those who are going to some other works, they also oppose. Okay, contractor fled with his family to neighboring village, which however refused to shelter such as a person. Or when the contractor, those who are opposed by the weavers on that time, the contractor leave the family and other villages not give the shelter to him. He returned 24 hours later, having questioned the army. Okay, in the exchange that followed, 11 weavers were shot. On that time, those who were going to oppose the contractor, they were shot by police army. Okay, कि how the situation will be harsh on that time, how they are going to want to revolt against the contractor and rulers, and this type of nationalism creating in Europe. Okay, up to here we will read, and later on we will also take next one contact. Okay, thank you.